everybody. It is the bearded practitioner and me, Cade Face. Well, you know, it's another video. And know what I said last video? The pun of the day.
What's the pun of the day?
Pun of the day. If you're not laughing at my puns, that means you probably broke your humerus. Some of you may not get that joke, but my dad did right there.
Because it's pretty punny.
And I also got that joke last video. No, Dad, it's one pun a day. Well, I guess that was something from last video, so.
Right.
So, that was the pun of the day. I love the pun of the day. It's going to be a new thing.
Is it going to be a new thing?
Me and you are going to be, every video, me and you are going to be thinking of a pun of a day.
Okay, that sounds good.
So, it's going to be interesting. And by the way, I don't need scissors. All I need is my bare hands. I'm a man! I'm a man! I said I was a man!
Okay, and then guess what is in there? It's...
This is
very nice.
Wait, this is a new unboxing.
It is. It's not beard oil. It's beard grooming products.
We're testing this out right now, by the way.
We can test it out. Who's it from? Look at the box.
This is mine. This is from ManeJack Men's Grooming Professional Collection Hairbrush Set.
And this is, so I talked to this company probably about a week or two ago. I started talking to them, and they suggested this combo package. And this is really a good price on Amazon. They do have a website, but I bought this through Amazon. And
I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I only do oil, so this is I wasn't prepared for this one.
I know. Look at that. Look at that crazy brush. What do you think?
1. Log into your account. Oh wait, review him. Well, you guys know what to do. We'll see. Dad, how can they review him and log on to his review?
So we go to, what is the .com?
Into your account on www.amazon.com. Your account, your orders. Click.
So this gives you
Select.
the review off of Amazon.
What a product review. Button next to the purchased item. Write a product review. Button next to the purchased item.
That's how you do it with Amazon. Yep.
So, definitely go review these guys. This
what
looks,
do you think?
they look good.
It has
and
a nice label.
see,
on
I
it.
know that it's for
so
brushes,
what is this called?
but I'm gonna also test them on my hair.
That's fine. You can do that. What is this kind of brush?
Or
that
how about we
Boar's
just test?
this bristle brush.
And this one's special for your beard because it has the curve for your beard too.
That's right.
So we're gonna test this one out first.
I think so.
No, you brush your own beard.
You
brush your own beard.
It is nice though. It does fit right to your contours to your face. What do you think? And you're gonna use that to. So that's Boar's Head bristle brush, which is really good for your beard as well. And then this is a small wood comb, but this is really quality. This isn't cheap.
That's carved wood.
That is carved wood.
You know it's carved wood with.
And the funny thing about this,
they literally put their ManeJack. They put that on that, and that takes a minute.
I know. And the funny thing about this is that these are good quality. I mean, this is.
Guys, my hair's about to be a mess because I'm testing these combs. But here, look at this. This is what it sees so far.
This is a lot of.
Here's the second one.
And look at the little bristles in here. So it has the longer bristles.
Does my hair look
And then
weird?
it has like the smaller bristles.
Yeah. So then we're gonna test this
so
one.
if you look at it, it has the smaller bristles in the bottom part of these bigger bristles.
My hair's
right into
my hair's
your
all
beard.
messy now because I'm testing the brushes now.
No, it looks good.
Next one.
Okay. What do you think? Feels nice.
Feels good. Feels good.
I think it's cool that they have like the thicker, the bristles have the smaller bristles in the middle of them.
I feel weird.
I know. And then here's this. This is the.
Dad, I cut my hair. I didn't.
This is a perfect little travel comb.
Definitely.
Perfect.
I feel like definitely like buy these. These are
Except
travel.
for you don't do it when your beard is dry. So.
Yeah, but these are my hair's dry, but it works good for your hair too.
Yeah, these are nice.
So you don't do this just for your beard. You can do it for your hair. I'm just gonna leave it down. So.
Very nice. So I think these are. I mean, this is light. It's plastic. This is wood. This is honestly, this is a really.
No, this ain't Sorry,
It's
this
not
ain't.
cheap.
This ain't. This is not. This ain't
It's
is
not.
not a word.
Well, it is
So-
a word, but people use it. But it isn't.
It isn't. This is not cheap. This is not. This is gonna
Small
be
little
very
combo's
hard to
cute.
break. That's very hard to break. That
So
is
we'll
very
test this over
solid.
next week.
And look at this. I already tested these.
Yep. Okay. Good. Good.
These are already self-tested.
Good.
Like these aren't cheap things. These definitely aren't cheap things.
They don't feel cheap, so we'll test them out, and then
Yeah.
we'll give you guys our opinion.
Thank you. All right. So
But this is
this
like
was a-
if these are like $6,
Yeah.
$7 on Amazon,
And it's a-
outrageous.
like I was gonna say,
price.
I'm gonna sponsor this and I'm gonna say something, but I feel like they did a good job on this. I mean, this feels. I mean, Dad hasn't filled this one yet. This one's
is nice,
smooth.
and it's the softer bristle hair,
It's a
so
softer.
it's the softer stuff.
And
It's
then
not.
there's
It's not a thick, but it's
Like another
nice.
brush, I know.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I've seen thicker bristle brushes, and this one's like a little softer one. So,
But
it's nice.
here's the thing. So I feel like definitely go do these. These are travelable. Like you can just comb your hair on traveling or like brush your beard. Like they're good for both. This one is a little more meant for beard. This one, as you can see, we're gonna show you what we mean because this looks like a normal brush from up front. But you don't know is it has a curve like this to support the whole beard. Dad, put it on your beard as still. It's supposed to have the brush to support your whole beard. So like, instead of just getting like one straight down place, it gets both and it puts
Well,
it
kinda
all
like
down.
it has a lot of coverage too. If you
Yeah.
see how much coverage that
And
is.
then I don't think you knew this yet, but it also has the hairs on it.
I know, that's what I was saying. It has the little bristles in the middle. So I think these are boar's head bristle brushes in the middle as well.
This is one of
this
our
is a cool.
this is
cool
one of our
brush.
quicker videos.
But that's okay.
But it's a good. This
We're
is
gonna
good
review it
stuff.
over the
We're
next week, though.
reviewing it. We're reviewing it.
yeah,
It's
we're
good.
doing
It's good stuff. But like I was saying, this is travelable. Like if you're going camping, you're putting water on your head, on your beard, definitely buy this. This is like just something you can have. Like you can just have this in your pocket. This one, I would say, like
That's more pocket.
I would prefer
This
this
one's
one,
probably
and
pocket.
for like if you want to get your hair wet, like if you go camping, maybe bring these two. Maybe keep this one for home so you don't lose it, because this one's a special one for this. So like it would be more. This one would be more of a shower type one. I feel like these two would be like pocket ones though.
Nice.
These would be for like, you know,
Like a pocket comb.
yeah,
Just to kind of touch up.
for like if you're going camping or
Or you won't have one
you're
here
going
on the
on
go.
you're going on a DATE.
A DATE.
Yeah,
A date, and you're
yeah,
like,
and
hey,
you're
I need
like,
to get a little, I
and
need to
you
get a
need-
little styling going.
yeah. So
Are you
before,
planning on any dates?
never in my whole life, never. Disgusting.
You don't like girls?
No, disgusting. I will never go on one. I will
Can we
never
quote this?
go on.
Can we quote this? Okay, love you. We will. You're too funny.
Wait, Dad.
What?
You said love you to the camera.
I said love you to you, but I was also talking to the camera. You're too funny. Okay, buddy. Okay, well, is that all we gotta say?
That's all, and I have to say, I'll be right back.
Oh no.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys, this is some sound warning.
Alright, bye, chicken. What do you gotta say?
Alright,
Bye.
that's it. I hope you guys turn down your volume, and also make sure you give them a volume warning.
Volume warning. Okay, GoPro, stop. Recording. GoPro, stop recording.